Imagine looking up at the night sky thousands of years ago. The stars seemed unreachable. The moon was a mystery. The planets were nothing more than wandering lights in the darkness. But in just a few decades, humanity did something extraordinary. We built machines that escaped Earth. We walked on another world. We touched the sun. We sent messages beyond the solar system. These aren't just space missions. They're moments that changed the course of human history. Today, we're counting down the top 10 space missions that changed humanity. And trust me, number 1 didn't just change space exploration. It changed the entire human race forever. Number 10. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, 1977. In 1977, two small spacecraft began a journey that would outlive almost everyone alive today. The Voyager probes were launched to explore the outer planets. What they discovered completely transformed our understanding of the solar system. They revealed active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io, strange landscapes on Saturn's moons, and the icy beauty of Uranus and Neptune. But perhaps their most famous cargo was the Golden Record, a collection of sounds, music, and greetings from Earth. It was humanity's message to the universe. Today, Voyager 1 is the most distant human-made object ever created, traveling through interstellar space billions of miles from Earth. Even after nearly 50 years, it continues to send signals home. Humanity literally reached the stars. Number 9. Hubble Space Telescope, 1990. When Hubble launched in 1990, it seemed like a disaster. A flaw in its mirror made the images blurry. The entire world criticized the mission. But astronauts repaired the telescope in one of the most incredible space missions ever performed. And suddenly, the universe came into focus. Hubble showed us galaxies billions of light years away. It revealed that the universe is expanding faster than expected. It helped scientists estimate the age of the universe. Its breathtaking images didn't just change science. They changed culture. For the first time, humanity could truly see the universe in all its beauty. Number 8. Sputnik 1, 1957. On October 4, 1957, a metal sphere no larger than a beach ball shocked the world. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. Its simple radio signal echoed across Earth. Beep, beep, beep. Those sounds marked the beginning of the space age. The mission triggered the space race, accelerated scientific development, and pushed nations to invest heavily in education and technology. Without Sputnik, modern satellites, GPS, weather forecasting, and even global communications might have developed very differently. One small satellite changed the world forever.
Number 7. Curiosity rover, 2011. Could Mars have once supported life? The Curiosity rover was designed to answer that question. After a dramatic landing known as the 7 Minutes of Terror, Curiosity touched down safely on the red planet. The rover discovered evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and environments that may have once been suitable for life. It analyzed rocks, measured radiation levels, and sent thousands of images back to Earth. Curiosity transformed Mars from a dead world into a place that may once have been habitable. And perhaps one day humans may follow its tracks. Number 6. James Webb Space Telescope, 2021. The James Webb Space Telescope is often called a time machine because it can look so far into space that it actually sees the universe's past. Webb has captured galaxies formed shortly after the Big Bang. It studies the atmospheres of distant planets and searches for the ingredients of life. Its infrared vision allows humanity to see places that were previously invisible. Every image from Webb reminds us that our universe is larger, older, and more mysterious than we ever imagined. Number 5. Apollo 8, 1968. Before humans walked on the moon, they first had to leave Earth. Apollo 8 became the first crewed mission to orbit the moon. As the astronauts circled the lunar surface, they witnessed something no human had ever seen. Earth rising above the moon's horizon, the famous Earthrise photograph, changed humanity's perspective forever. For the first time, we saw our entire world as a small blue sphere floating in darkness. Borders disappeared. Politics disappeared. There was only Earth. Many historians consider Earthrise one of the most important photographs ever taken. Number 4. International Space Station, 1998. The International Space Station is not a single mission. It is one of humanity's greatest collaborations. Built by multiple nations, the station has hosted astronauts from around the world. For over 2 decades, humans have continuously lived in space. Scientists have conducted thousands of experiments involving medicine, biology, physics, and human survival. The ISS proved that nations can work together beyond Earth. It serves as a test bed for future missions to the Moon and Mars, and every night as it passes overhead, it reminds us that humanity can achieve incredible things together. Number 3. Mars Perseverance Rover, 2020. Perseverance arrived on Mars carrying one important goal: find signs of ancient life. The rover collected rock samples that may eventually return to Earth. It also carried Ingenuity, the first helicopter to fly on another planet. That tiny helicopter achieved what once seemed impossible: powered flight on another world. Perseverance represents humanity's next step toward Mars exploration. It isn't just exploring the planet. It's preparing for human footsteps. Number 2. Yuri Gagarin's Vostok 1, 1961. On April 12, 1961, a human left Earth for the first time. Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin orbited our planet aboard Vostok 1. His journey lasted only 108 minutes, but those 108 minutes changed history. For the first time, humanity became a spacefaring species. Gagarin later said, "I see Earth. It is so beautiful." His mission proved that humans could survive in space. Without Vostok 1, every astronaut who followed might never have left Earth. Number 1. Apollo 11, 1969. July 20th, 1969. More than 600 million people watched as humanity attempted the impossible. Apollo 11 landed on the Moon. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface and spoke words that would echo throughout history. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. For the first time, humans stood on another world. The mission demonstrated the power of science, engineering, and determination. Apollo 11 inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It proved that impossible goals can become reality, and perhaps most importantly, it showed humanity what we can accomplish when we choose to explore. From the first satellite to the first moon landing, from robotic explorers to giant space telescopes, these missions did more than explore space. They changed how we see ourselves, because every mission carries the same message: we are explorers, and the story of humanity is only beginning. The next mission that changes the world may already be preparing for launch, and somewhere out there, waiting in the darkness, is the next great discovery.